Hey, today we've got a super honest and exciting experiment on the table. People always ask, can you really grow a small deposit into something big in just one trading session? So I decided to put it to the test. I gave myself a challenge, start with just $50 and see how far I can take in one session. No doubling down, no random clicking, just full strategy, clear analysis and strict discipline. We're trading on pocket option, starting with a minimum trade size, $50. Chart type, candlesticks only. No shortcuts, no simplifications. Now, fair warning, it's going to be risky and there will be pressure. But that's exactly how we test whether the strategy and mindset actually hold up. And hey, if you are not just here to watch, but actually want to learn how to do this yourself, check out my Telegram, links in the description. That's where we break down real signals, strategies and live trades together. Let's dive in. Alright, log in into pocket option. Switching to candlestick chart, always a must. Time frame, I'm going with 50 seconds for this challenge. Yeah, it's aggressive, the market moves fast, and reading it takes skill, but that's what makes this interesting. The asset, British pound versus Japanese yen. Payout 92%. First trade, $50. I see a strong green candle pushing up. Momentum is clear, sellers aren't really fighting back. I enter higher with $50. Just a few seconds in, the candle holds in the green, solid start, 1 minute of focus, and yes, trade closes in the money, balance $96. First goal complete. Second trade $96. Next setup, the candle drops sharply from a high. That kind of move usually signals continuation to the downside. I reinvest the full $96, enter lower, and boom, price keeps falling. Clean red structure forms, I wait it out, trade closes in profit again. Balance is $184. That's serious progress in just 2 moves. Now listen, this isn't luck. I'm not randomly clicking buttons. I'm using candle logic, spotting momentum, watching for wicks, and understanding pressure points. Third trade, $184. Time to switch things up a bit. I change the time frame to 1 minute for a clear read. Add an RSI indicator for confirmation. I spot a red candle moving down, but RSI is hovering near 50, a zone of indecision. Then I notice a small bounce forming. It's subtle, but I decide to go higher. The candle starts in red, but quickly bounces off the entry level, leaving a long lower wick. That's biased range. 10 seconds left, candle still red, but that wick is telling the story. Bias active and then boom! Candle spiked up and the trade closes in the green. Balance $353. 3 trades, $50 turned into $353. So, there is your answer. How far can you go from just $50? In this session, $353. 3 trades, no chasing, no panic, but here's the real win. I knew when to stop. But here is the real win. I knew when to stop. And that right there, that's what separates a trader from a gambler. Sure, I could keep going, but the goal was to show what's possible with a clear head and a solid plan. If you want to learn to control your trades instead of letting emotions control you, jump into my Telegram. You'll find live signals, strategy breakdowns, tips to level up your trading psychology. Links in the description. Don't miss it. And hey, drop a comment. What was your starting deposit? How far did you take it? Smash that like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and keep staking profits.